Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. Today we are introducing Vivo flying camera smartphone. Vivo recently filed a patent for a flying camera drone module application. Here is a concept render of the camera module and how it may work. Over the past couple of years, manufacturers have been trying their best to get rid of the camera notch on smartphone screens, using motorized pop-up cameras like Redmi K20 Pro and flip mechanisms like the Asus 6Z. Some manufacturers have begun experimenting with in-display cameras, while others have been working on more radical techniques, such as the recently revealed patent filed by Vivo for a smartphone with a camera drone. Last month, renders report that Vivo had filed a patent for what might just be the most innovative way to get rid of the notch, using a flying drone with a camera module. The drone is expected to feature two cameras and infrared sensors. From Vivo patent filing, it appears that the drone could be stored inside the phone itself and exit the device when required. While the patent images have provided a good idea of how the module could work, designer Sarang Sheth along with LetsGoDigital have now revealed new concept renders of the device, which help users visualize how the module could work. The render shows a module that slides out of the device in what looks like a large oversized SIM tray. The renders are shared for interpretative purpose only, and it is important to note that Vivo has not yet released such a product. However, the biggest question that arises from both the patent filing and the newly released renders is the impact of the camera module on the battery life of the main device. Considering the size of the module and the energy required to operate for extended periods, it might draw a lot of power from the smartphone. The module also appears to exit from the main body of the device, which could take up very valuable space, which is usually reserved for the smartphone battery. Also, another question that arises from looking at the renders shared by Sheth and LetsGoDigital is how the drone module will return to the smartphone. While regular drone cameras are perfectly capable of returning to their base stations, the tray retracing and extending from the device is also to be motorized, so the module would have to land perfectly every time, or mainly put in place by the user. However, as with any concept renders of devices that do not yet exist, it is better to take the design with a pinch of salt, as the technology involved could change over time as Vivo continues to work on its initial design. Even if the company was to release a product featuring this technology, it could come with several changes or improvements, something that is too early to predict or speculate about at this point. Connected for more updates, and please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.